my channel. Y'all know who it is. It's your girl, the Glam Princess. And I'm here today again to bring y'all a beautiful glam DIY. We are going to make some lotus flowers candle holders. I have made these before, but these are clear. They're a little bit different, but I'm just giving you all variety. So if you want to see how it creates and glamify this candle holder, y'all know what to do. Just stay tuned. Okay. So we are going to use all of this stuff that I'm using is old. I've not bought anything new and I don't know when. So just remember, y'all, I'm using things that I already had. So we're going to use some of the bling wrap right here. We're going to use some of these beautiful gems that I got from Michael's, our mirrored towel from dotflower.com. We're going to use this candle. I got this from Dollar Tree. And this mirror, this square mirror, I got this so long ago from, they sold it by bulk at Amazon. This square block here, I got this from Dollar Tree. This mirrored candle holder, I got it from Dollar Tree as well, with the glitter on the outsides of it. This is a toothbrush holder I actually got from Family Dollar, I believe, and it's from an old DIY. So y'all, we are going to take these things and we are going to make a beautiful lotus flower candle holder. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take this box and we're going to take it outside and spray paint it using some Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint I got from Walmart. Okay, Glam fam, so the box has dried. Now I want you all to know that I'm going to be adding some of these rhinestones to these gems to cover up the holes. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and put our tile on the box. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how our beautiful candle holders turned out. Y'all, they are absolutely gorgeous. You know I love the multifaceted look. It is so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. And I do think these would make a great addition to any table or hallway area or wherever you want to put them, in the bathroom, your bedroom, wherever. It would definitely make a statement. So I hope you all enjoyed this DIY, this video upload. And if you did, give me a thumbs up, y'all. And like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Y'all be blessed.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this, oh God? Why you let me find her like this, oh God?